In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Face ID with a mask on iPhone. Alright, I'm on the home screen right now, and we're going to turn this on through settings, then set it up so Face ID can recognize you even when you're wearing a mask. First, I'm going to open the settings app, the grey gear icon. If it's not on the page you're on, just swipe left or right until you spot it. Once you see settings, go ahead and tap it to open. Okay, now settings is open, and we need to go into Face ID and passcode. So at this point I'm scrolling down the list until I see Face ID and passcode, and once I see it I'm tapping it. Now it's going to ask for your iPhone passcode, so go ahead and type in your passcode to continue. Once you enter it, you'll land on the Face ID and passcode settings screen. Alright, now we're on the Face ID and passcode page. On this screen we're looking for the option called Face ID with a mask. You'll see a toggle switch next to it, so at this point I'm going to tap the toggle for Face ID with a mask to turn it on. Once it's on, it should look active, and that's your confirmation the feature is enabled. Now that the toggle is on, we're going to set it up. You should see the option to use Face ID with a mask, so I'm going to tap Use Face ID with a mask to start the setup process. At this point, your iPhone will guide you through the face verification while you're wearing your mask. So go ahead and do the face verification with your mask on, following what you see on the screen until it finishes. Once that setup completes, you're all set. There's no extra save button you need to press, and the change applies right away. You can back out of settings whenever you're ready, and your iPhone will now be set to use Face ID even when you're wearing a mask.